The ultimate step-by-step guide to making money online fast. No skills needed. Introduction. How to make money online quickly. This guide is designed for beginners with no prior skills who want to start making money fast and scale to $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month. We'll cover the most beginner-friendly, high-income online methods, account setup, automation tools, and a proven roadmap to success. Follow these steps exactly to start earning within days or weeks. Step 1. Choose your fastest money-making method. 1. Freelancing. Fastest to start earning. Get paid for simple AI-powered services, writing, video editing, chatbot automation. Can make $50 to $500 per gig within a few days. No skills needed. AI does the work for you. Platforms to use: Upwork, Fiverr, People. Per hour. Step-by-step guide to start freelancing. Sign up. Create a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or People per hour. Optimize your profile. Use a professional photo logo, write a clear bio, and highlight AI-powered services. Create a service gig. Offer AI-generated writing, video editing, or chatbot automation. Set your prices. Start with lower rates to attract clients and build reviews. Apply for jobs. Submit proposals on Upwork and respond to Fiverr buyer requests. Deliver high-quality work. Use ChatGPT for writing, Pictory for video, and Zapier for chatbot automation. Withdraw earnings. Link PayPal or Stripe for easy payments. Best AI tools to use for freelancing. ChatGPT. Generate content, edit writing, and create chatbot scripts. Pictory. Turn text into videos with voiceovers automatically. 11 Labs. AI-powered text-to-speech for professional voiceovers. Canva. Create professional designs and thumbnails. Zapier. Automate chatbot services for businesses. 2. YouTube automation, scalable and passive income. Use AI to create faceless YouTube videos. Can make $500 to $10,000 plus per month with monetization. Scales into passive income. Step-by-step guide to start a YouTube automation channel. Create a YouTube account. Set up a new channel with a professional banner logo. Choose a niche. AI tools, tech tutorials, or finance tips are trending. Use AI to create videos at ChatGPT for script writing. 11 Labs for AI voiceovers. Pictory for video editing and stock footage. Leonardo, AI for thumbnails and graphics. Upload 3 to 5 videos. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO. Get to 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Promote videos on Reddit, Quora, and TikTok. Monetize with YouTube Partner Program. Enable ads, memberships, and super chats. Scale up with affiliate links. Add affiliate links to video descriptions for extra earnings. How to create the best AI-powered videos using Pictory and 11 Labs. Write a script with ChatGPT. Use the prompt. Write a 7-minute YouTube script about your topic in an engaging, informative style. Generate a voiceover with 11 Labs. Copy your script into 11 Labs. Choose a natural AI voice and generate the narration. Create a video with Pictory. Upload the script and voiceover into Pictory. Let AI match stock footage and visuals. Fine-tune clips, add subtitles, and insert AI-generated graphics. Design a clickable thumbnail with Leonardo AI and Canva. Generate eye-catching images with Leonardo AI. Use Canva to overlay bold text, add branding, and optimize colors. Upload and optimize for SEO. Write a keyword-rich title and description. Use AI tools like TubeBuddy for recommended tags. Promote on social media and engage in comments. Best AI prompts for YouTube scripts. Write a 7-minute YouTube script explaining how AI is changing content creation. Generate an engaging video script about the best AI tools for making money online. Create a compelling YouTube video script about AI automation in businesses. 3. Affiliate marketing. Passive income strategy. Earn commissions by promoting AI tools. Can scale to 5,000 plus per month with traffic. Requires setting up a YouTube channel, blog, or social media pages. Step-by-step guide to start affiliate marketing. Sign up for AI affiliate programs. Pictory AI. 11 Labs. Leonardo AI. Create content that attracts buyers. YouTube videos. Reviews, tutorials, comparisons. Blog posts or TikTok videos. Facebook/Reddit posts with value-driven insights. Insert affiliate links in content. Optimize descriptions and call to actions. Drive traffic with SEO and social media. Post regularly on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Monitor and optimize performance. Track conversions and increase high-performing content. Scale to 10K per month. Use paid ads to drive more traffic. Step 2. Set up your accounts and start earning. How to set up payments. Freelancing. Link PayPal, Stripe, or Direct Bank on Upwork, Fiverr. YouTube monetization. Link a Google AdSense account to receive ad revenue. Affiliate marketing. Use PayPal/Stripe to receive affiliate commissions. Timeline for first earnings. Freelancing can earn within 1 to 5 days. Affiliate marketing, 30 plus days, depends on traffic volume. YouTube monetization, 1 to 3 months to qualify for ad revenue. Step 3. Scale to 10,000 plus per month. How to scale fast. Outsource work. Hire freelancers to do repetitive tasks. Leverage AI automation. Use Zapier and ChatGPT to handle customer responses. Create digital products. Sell AI-generated templates or ebooks on Gumroad. Run paid ads. Use Facebook, TikTok ads to drive traffic to affiliate offers. Marketing strategies. Organic traffic. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Paid traffic. Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads. SEO optimization. Blog and video content with trending keywords. Final action plan. Start making money online. Now, follow this guide step by step and start earning online fast.